Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure transcription work with Rev, full guide step by step clearly. To secure transcription work with Rev, start by visiting their website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your name and email address. Choose a strong password to protect your account. Next, verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log into your account. Navigate to the Jobs section to explore available transcription opportunities. Read through the guidelines for transcription work provided by Rev. Familiarize yourself with their formatting standards and style preferences. Take note of the different types of transcription work available, such as captions or subtitles. Consider your skills and decide which type of transcription suits you best. Complete the transcription test to assess your abilities. Follow the given instructions carefully while taking the test. Submit your test and wait for feedback from Rev. If successful, start reviewing the available jobs in your dashboard. Apply for jobs that interest you and match your skills. Set your own schedule to manage your workload efficiently. Ensure to deliver high-quality work within deadlines. Communicate promptly with the Rev team if you encounter any issues. Build a positive reputation by consistently meeting quality standards. Keep track of your earnings and payout requests through your account dashboard. Stay updated on Rev's policies and procedures by checking their blog or announcements. Regularly practice your transcription skills to improve speed and accuracy. With dedication and effort, you can secure consistent work with Rev. Emphasize the importance of attention to detail in every project. Maintain professionalism in all communications with clients and the Rev team. Utilize resources like forums or online communities for additional support. As you gain experience, consider expanding into different areas of transcription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.